Mr. Davenport, your rebuttal.
To rebut directly to that, I'd say that if we had a third of the student organizations aware of the financial process, that's actually pretty good. Of course, it's not perfect, but we're not dealing with ideals and a bureaucracy. I think that that's a good amount of communication, and we would strive to, promote that more. Pamphlets, Facebook, whatever. I would caution, though, that a growth of 100% student organizations applying for funding would deplete the reserves that we have set aside. So there would have to be a management, some sort of management decision made. Another area that I would streamline in SGA would be academic affairs, and I would try hard to get our academic senators directly involved with that committee. Right now the senators are actually, they're different from our representatives, and they have a slightly different role and a slightly different place. And there needs to be more dialogue between that committee and the academic affairs committee reps and the student senators. Specifically, as far as gen eds go and the first year experience that's been talked about this entire year, there's a lot going on in the gen ed committee in the Senate, and there's some going on in student government, and they meet and they have been trying to get on the same page. I would increase that awareness and try to make it so that the senators and the academic affairs committee had more direct dialogue more often. Thank you.